So you all know your numbers, right? So you're going to hit the drum on what number?
1
and
and
3. Starting with the power hand, your right hand. Sit nice and tall, center of the drum. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is just exciting. The kids are so excited. You can see what, the parents also involved. They made the backdrop, beautiful backdrop. And this is a time for peace. So we're going to touch all the countries and that we visited and share with our parents a little bit that we tell them we did folklore, a little bit of folklore and the vocabulary words. So
we are room 21 Miss Howard's class. We will represent the United States of
Safe cooperation in sign language.
Cooperation! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6.